This week I made three major mistakes that you shouldn't while practicing English. So, hey everyone, this is Bharti. Welcome to my channel, and it's my day 7 to be fluent in English. So, before moving ahead, just let me tell you what I did right this time. So, basically, I was aware of the framework, the structure I'm gonna follow the next 30 days. So, if I talk about my structure, that was really simple. I have to follow just 5 simple steps. So, these 5 simple steps are divided into two major groups. First is the input part, second is the output part. So in input, I have to just go through the language. I have to consume the English content, whether I have to watch movie or any podcast, whatever. Okay, that should be 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, then the next part is output part, where I have to practice the English while covering four things. First is the shadowing one, that is for 10 minutes, paraphrasing, that is also for 10 minutes, then 5 minutes journaling for writing, and 5 minutes topic speaking. So these 30 minutes for in output and 30 minutes for input. Completely 1 hour routine was there. But what I did wrong this time, I made three major mistakes. The first one is I was messed up with the content. Like I was not aware that actually which content I have to watch. Like one day I used to think that I will watch movie today, and one day I used to think I will watch podcast today. Like this, I used to scroll the videos only, and I have wasted 1 to 2 hours in this only, in just overthinking loop. So we have to decide first that what we will watch next day for consuming the content. So this mistake I did, you shouldn't. Now the second major mistake, that is I was aware of the task, that what I have to do, but at which time I have to do which thing I have to do first, which next, that was not clear. So, like the boundaries were not there. I didn't set any boundaries that I have to do this task until this time and that time. So, yeah, you have to do this thing very clearly. A specific deadline should be there. And the third major mistake I made, that I was not aware that how we have to practice shadowing. I was doing the shadowing in a wrong way. There are proper dedicated steps to follow shadowing to utilize its benefit. Otherwise, it will not gonna help you, right? So yeah. So these three major mistakes I did, you should not do at any cost. Now, if I talk about the positive part, so yeah, I improved. I got through with new phrases as well, like 7 to 10 new phrases that I'm gonna use in my upcoming videos, and I learned few vocabularies as well. Also, I stay consistent. This is also the good thing, and at least I am practicing daily. I'm recording video, I'm speaking in English. No matter I'm speaking wrong or right, I'm doing the practice actually. This is what matters, right? So yeah. So now for the next week, I'm very crystal clear that what I have to do or what not. So let's see what will happen in my upcoming days. For that, you can stay tuned, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.